What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna be continuing the buffing section of the car, the buffing video for the car. And let me just show you guys what we're working with right now. I already did one side last night just to test it, and it looks amazing. So I'm wet sanding it again with 2,500 and then 3,000 on top, and then I'm doing the compound and the polish right after. And let me just show you guys. So you can see how much the purple is actually like showing now compared to here. This is what it looked like before. It's dull and it looks, obviously it's dirty, but once I give it a wipe down, it's gonna look amazing. You can see the reflection just like mirror, and this is just straight can. So I'm actually really excited to see how this is going to finish. At the end, we did get a new sponsor. I'm going to be showing you that at the end because it has to do with what we're doing today. I also have a new front lip that we're going to be installing in the future as well. And yeah, we just got a bunch of stuff cooking up for the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, you know, do everything that you can to support me in making these videos and give me something to put videos out for, aside from obviously, you know, me being able to look back and see what I've done to my car. But yeah, this is all for you guys at the end of the day. So yeah, let's get to showing you the process and getting this car completed. We out here. Well, actually, yeah, here you can see the reflection crazy. Door here, it looks really dull. It might be the most dull spot of the car, so we're just gonna work on this area first. The reflection. Front bumper. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm gonna do the roof separately because I don't have that much time. It's gonna get dark. But yeah, the outcome is coming out really good. Look at that. What's up, YouTube? So it's another day. Let me just show you guys what we completed and what's missing. So the car looks really good, totally different. So you can see the reflection is good. You see everything. So in the sun, this is gonna look good. That piece here, that's just like, I put like too much of the flake effect thingy. So it's like, there's a lot on this side, which is, I don't really care for. Duckbill and the trunk, we just hit it with some polish just to see, and it actually looks better. But it does need another wet sanding, but I'll do that another day. That we haven't wet sanded the bumper at all. You can see the difference here. So that's what we're going to be doing today, wet sanding this. Definitely corrected the paint, definitely corrected everything. Obviously all the dents are visible again because it's a gloss finish, and you know, just you can see it compared to the matte finish. But you know, let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is all done with spray paint, and the 2K clear definitely is a powerful clear coat. Let's just get to doing the bumper first, and then we're gonna do the roof after. And yeah, just get this video finished, and then at the end I'm gonna show you guys the final product, and also to introduce you guys to this new sponsor. We're gonna be using it on the car. All right, so stay tuned. Alright guys, quick little update. I already completed the roof. We buffed it and polished it, and let me just show you guys what it's looking like now. You could definitely see the reflection on the building. It looks really good. I don't know if you guys can see the design. Here's the rest of the car. We're gonna do the bumper next. Using a drill in order to do this, so it's gonna take me a little while. The roof took me like an hour and a half to complete. As you can see, it's already wet sanded and everything, and you can kind of see like a reflection, and that's what you want. This is what it looks like now, and then we're gonna see what it looks like after. Now you see, that's just only with the buffing compound, and you already see the reflection before and after. So we're completely done. Let me just show you guys. What it looks like. So this is the bumper. It's already polished. You can see the difference now. The whole car is complete. Let me introduce you guys to the newest sponsor of the channel, and we got Shine Armor. Big shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring this video. They couldn't have came at a better time. So we're just gonna quickly spray wax the car, because obviously it's definitely needed after you wet sand and buff, and give it a nice, you know, protective finish. The way you apply this, they gave 2 microfiber. One you spray with the product and also the surface, and then one you remove the product. You got to remove it within a few seconds because you don't want the product to harden onto the surface.
Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Wax on, wax off.
Also, surface. Just got to do little spots. Spread it. Spread the product. And before it dries completely, we have to buff it out with the clean one. So just remove it. I'm gonna do this quick because we don't want no streaks. We don't want no dry spots. So that's gonna be it for today's video. We got more stuff in store. I got a new front lip that I'm gonna install. We're also gonna paint that next. We got some other stuff coming up for the channel. So make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff to help the channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.